Hello and welcome to 3 days of my life as a machine learning engineer who is also taking a course about MLOps and Databricks. First of all, get everything ready, get some caffeine and get a snack, and then I sit down at my desk to get everything prepared, log myself into all of the services because I'm working from home, but there's still like VPN, etc. that you need to set up before you can get started. I am currently transitioning from like more of a data science, mathematical background into a full-on machine learning engineer role. So I'm catching up on all the concepts that I need for this role, which is mainly like everything around MLOps. So I thought I'd take you along on my learning journey. I am currently taking a course that my manager was very nice to sponsor for us, for me and my teammate. So I'm trying to like stay up to date with the operational tasks. I have like 2 smaller projects going on that are already on the go, and then also balance taking this course and making sure that we are implementing everything that is recommended in this course. So I will link the course down below if you're interested in more details, but basically week 1 that I'm still catching up on here is setting up obviously the environment to develop locally and then push to the cloud because this allows for a cleaner workflow. And then in week 2, I think this is the live session that I'm attending in a very bit in this video, is everything around feature tables and how you can make those reproducible on other people's machines. Quick check-in. I just finished the course session that was today. It was like 2 hours about MFlow mainly, and like with these live sessions they're like so full of information, and like normally I'm like pretty quick to understand things, but like I don't know, something about watching tech videos without doing it yourself just doesn't click with me. And also my multitasking probably didn't help. I tried to set up like the Git connection and everything, but I think I still have to like go back to the material from week 1 to look for the correct way to set up my local environment so that it pairs well with Databricks. Or like, is that even possible? Like, I don't know, my head is just... Anyway, good time for a break. I stayed up way too late yesterday playing Factorio. It's release week of the new game and I was very excited about it, so I played it for way too long and I was planning to do all those things. So this morning is a bit of a session about refactoring everything, my to-do list, my priorities, to like get the main things done in time. So I'm just catching up on some admin stuff, messaging some people, trying to get some information together so I can continue with my work. If you also know the struggle of having your schedule get like out of sync, like you're not doing the things on your to-do list and then your whole schedule falls apart, it's so overwhelming to me then, and then I just stop doing anything. So if you have any tips for that, let me know. Actually, showering in the middle of the day is super advantageous because you can think about your work task in the shower. That sounds like such a workaholic move. And then like sometimes it just makes everything clearer, you know? I'm back to work. I have a check-in with my team, and then hopefully after that I can get like a few tasks done. But yeah, I hope you will prioritize like the main tasks and everything that we have to do. Alright, I'm back at my desk. I spent some time with my partner and we also had dinner together, and now he's going to bed soon because he has a very early shift tomorrow. But yeah, I'm back at my desk and I will do some more work. Earlier, I was messaging some people if they knew about like a specific join, etc., that I want to do for a data analysis. Although it wasn't solved, I feel like I made some good progress and I know who to ask now, so that was nice. And for tonight, I want to finally get down to coding. I feel like I am in way more of a relaxed state and I can hopefully finally set up this environment and get my first data cleaning task and like package them in a clean way and also document everything so my colleagues who are not doing the course will also have access to those notes so we can then discuss how to incorporate this in the workflow. So that's the task for today. You know, doing these vlogs makes me realize how embarrassingly ambitious my to-do lists are. Because when I film these days, I have to like acknowledge how ridiculous the plan was from the start. But I have set up my environment, so we'll count that as the win for the day. I finally accomplished using UV to set up my Python packaging stuff. It was really difficult to like install the proper Python version for some reason. Like I installed it, but then it kept saying it didn't find it. I don't know, just one of those quirks of a code, I guess. And also tomorrow I'm meeting with someone who knows a lot about SAP data, so I would say I'm looking forward to that, but SAP is scary and why are all the column names so ridiculous? But yeah, that's an issue for tomorrow. So this is actually Friday morning, and as I just said, I had a lot of meetings this morning. It started with a meeting with our SAP expert who told me all about what tables are important to find out about the electricity contracts and the potential data science use cases we have from that. And then I moved on to get another call and have a chat with one of my teammates who in the meantime worked on another project, and we had like a quick sync how we proceed with that, what the expectations in that project are, and what we could be doing about this. I guess the main takeaway here is that there are a lot of projects at once, and finding the time to learn new things can be quite difficult, as you saw in this clip. This whole ordeal with multiple meetings took actually like 4 hours. So here you see me making lunch and then immediately dinner, because in between I had a nap because my bad decisions and my missing sleep from the previous day were catching up with me. And that was Friday until dinner. Quick check-in later in the evening. I have finally fixed my sleep somewhat. Anyway, I am now no longer tired AF. You saw earlier just some clips from me in meetings. There's probably a voiceover, but I was in meetings for 3 hours, and after this I was just like, my brain needed a reset, so I took a nap and then had a bit of a break and played more Factorio. This is the theme of the week. But now I have a lot of information about our SAP tables, and I will try and contact someone about some join conditions next week. It's Friday evening. There's no meetings anymore, no one can disturb me, and I don't have like to get up early tomorrow or anything, so I will now actually do more coding. The goal for today, since I set up my environment yesterday, is to do some data cleaning, though there shouldn't be much because it's a Kaggle dataset just for practice, and then make it to the part where we talk about MLflow, which is actually week 2 of the course. So I hope to just register like a first training run tonight, like nothing impressive or anything, just to like go through the motions of uploading a package, hopefully, and then also registering a training run. These are like the 2 main objectives. If I can get one done, that would already make me quite happy to like build a Python package and then upload it to Databricks where I can import it. That's a workflow for like clean code that we're trying to do in the course. Build locally, build a package, actually a Python whole package, and then ship it to Databricks where you can apply it. Wish me luck. Okay, so this is actually the last clip, and with joy I can announce that I did manage to build this package and upload it to the right spot, and then had to adjust some things on Monday, but yeah, that was everything for these 3 days. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!